Let's praise amigos. It's your boy Terry, not speaking from the garage shop, but speaking from Naugatuck, Connecticut. Why? Because we're right here. We're at the Roundup Expo. That's right. They got all kinds of parts and all kinds of vendors. So we're just going to check out some cars and check out some vendors. Let's go. Come on. Now, I've been dealing with Roundup for years. You know, Novas, Chevelles, Camaros. If you have that type of car and you need old school parts for it, come to Roundup and check out what they got. Get a catalog while you're at it. Come on. This is the 70 Chevelle that you always see advertised in the books. Really nice, really nice. 396 in there. And you got your 70 red Chevelle here. Well, this is the Mac Dad here. 68's in here. 396. And Camaro. See, this is 74. See, my first car was a 75 Camaro. Didn't look like this. See, this is a Z28. And I used to want one so bad, but mine was, it was my mother's car, and I had to pay her. I think it was $500 for it. And so that was my first muscle car. Well, it was a muscle car. It was a 2-barrel 350s, but it had some grunt, and so that's why these cars are dear to me. This is 74. I had a 75. 74 didn't have the wrap-around back window. That's pretty much the only difference. All right, you talk to me what you got going on here, because you know I'm doing my 67 Chevelle, and you know I'm gonna be using you guys.
Well, we got lots of stuff for the Chevelle. I mean, we got lots of control arms, sway bars, coilover kits. We specialize in actually regular control arms with the factory bucket in it. Right. Put the factory coil spring. But I know you're going with an upgraded coilover suspension. Right. So we got you hooked up with upper shear mounts on the top.
Yep. Well, those in there. Awesome. And see, this is what I was talking about. This is beautiful, which I just found out today. Check this out. Look at this. Explain what's going on here, because if you have to replace the strut, the shock, you just drop the bottom out and easy access. Look at that.
So you can easily unbolt this, and these two tabs swing up and out, and you can pull your shock right down out through the A-arm. No need to separate the ball joint or remove it from the frame. Pretty quick and easy. So, but it'll accommodate any 7-inch coilover.
Okay. And so this is what I'm going to be getting on.
Yep. This will be a good option for you, especially with those upper mounts that you got. Right. Because you can use, really any kind of coilover that you want to do. You want to do Penske or ARIs or our line of shocks. You can do any of that stuff.
And we can't forget the Howell ball joint.
The Howell ball joints made of a copper alloy. It's sort of a safety thing. If you blast a wall or something, completely safe. You won't shear off it like it did before it breaks. So
Gotcha.
Safety option.
And I'm noticing you need what's going on the shock.
We have our own special version of coilover shocks. We partnered up with AFCO, so they do a lot of dirt track, over track stuff.
Oh, and styling on the top. Look at that.
And they're rebound adjustable, so you can click the knob and adjust the rebound just that easy. It's ride height adjustable, obviously, with the nut on the bottom.
Nice.
But we designed the valving for a good street car or a good race car in this application.
Right.
And they have the facilities AFCO does to make the shock themselves.
Beautiful. You know I'm coming out there. When is it? August?
August 11th.
All right.
10th and 11th.
10th and 11th. Yeah, we're going to come out there to the Yumi show.
Excellent.
And
we appreciate it.
I need some seat time tonight, Mom.
We're going to have to get you in a car for sure.
Oh, man.
Thanks, Terry.
I'll talk to you guys. Now we got this 78 Z28 heavily modified. Check out that engine. LSX 454. I've had more of these cars between 77 and 81 Firebird Camaros, Trans Ams than I'd like to admit. I will have another. Trust me. All right, now we have another Z28. I'm not sure what year it is, 79, it looks like. 79. All right, now this car is equipped with the Ramjet. Now that's an aftermarket engine from Chevrolet. 350 fuel injection. It's the first one I believe they made accessible to the public, because what was happening is a lot of people were putting tune port injections in their car back in the mid-90s. Early mid-90s, and so they was like, let's capitalize on that. Let's get a Ramjet, and they also had one for a big while. So this is, I remember these engines very well. Now, to me, the LS, I love the LS engine, but I will admit, the best looking engine Chevrolet's ever built was the tune port injection. it just looked like a little spider sitting on top. So that's their answer to the tune port to the public. And there it is. Now, you know how I said that I like original dashboards, and if you can maintain the originality of the car, I stand corrected, because check out what I'm looking at right now. Look at this dashboard.
Yes, here it is.
From ground up. You can get that ground up. I'm speechless. It's from Dakota Digital, and this is the specs. This is what you're looking at. So what you're looking at is a dashboard that eliminates the RPM module. It eliminates you having to get your tail shaft customized for, what is it called, a mechanical speedo. And you also have little pods. You're just going to have it set up. You also have it set up for fuel and oil pressure gauge right here. So this would be a dashboard that I'm thinking about installing in my 67. Being in my 71 is already set up with the gauges and everything like that. And don't get me wrong, I love gauges, but this is nice. Yeah, this is it. This is what I'm talking about. Let's get a little luxury in this thing. Hold on a second. Look at this thing. See, it's kind of cool to be sitting next to this car. That's right. This is the one that you see in the magazines, the catalogs that they always advertise. And we all know, out of all these beautiful cars here, if I had to jump my butt in one of them, it'd be this one. You know I'm going to buy something. You know I got to buy some parts up in here while I'm up here. That's right, you know. And then hook a brother up in here. You got to get to one of these expos up here in Roundup, Naugatuck, Connecticut. I'm saying New Jersey. Naugatuck, Connecticut. And partake in some of these savings.
Looks like you got rocker panels inner for your 67 Chevelle, both sides.
I did.
Front floor pan brace, middle floor pan brace, and a rear floor pan brace.
Let's do it. Our pots in a swag bag. That's right. You got to come to the Ground Up Expo. You get all kinds of stuff, and they give you a discount, and it's beautiful. And the people are beautiful. They even give you a table and a chair because I got to get rid of this stuff. So what we're going to do, my buddy George, we're going to go over to the back because we ordered some parts and we got to pick them up. So, George, give me the camera. Yo, and for our Spanish viewers,
¿Cómo estamos? Hoy aquí en el especial del show de Ground Up aquí en Connecticut está de otro mundo esto. Tienen que volver acá. El próximo show es en julio.
That's right. You know, and if George says it, that means it got to be. All right. So as always, please, I got my hands busy. Always be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take it.